Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to find your referral code on Temu. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Temu app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Once you are on the home page, tap on the U icon at the bottom of the screen and it will take you to your account settings. Now, a bunch of options will be displayed. Simply look for the feature that says Earn Credits or Free Gifts and tap on it. This section will provide you with various ways to earn rewards. Next, tap on the Get Now button under the Redeem Cash header. This will lead you to the referral options. Once you are in the referral section, click on the Refer button. This will open up the Share menu from the bottom of the screen. Simply copy the code by tapping on the Copy option. Now that you have your referral code, you can send it to your friends. Share it through text messages, social media, or any other way you prefer. So that's basically how you can find your referral code on Temu. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.